Hey, welcome everyone to the Stock Option King and Data Driven Trading YouTube channel. I wanted to do a overview of this channel because we're going to start posting again to the channel. And of course, I want to do a little bit of an overview of our trading app and our trading as a whole. These are the trades that we took inside our Boom Trade section, July 1st to July 27. This, as you can see, is the results. We are at about 94% day win, which is amazing. And it was an amazing July. We absolutely nailed it. For the most part, July was very smooth sailing for us, at least for the Boom Trade section. As you can see, we had some very nice trades, and for every single one of these trades, we call these trades out inside our Boom Trade section. Every single one, every single trade that you see here was logged and traded with our group. And one of the biggest things about our community is this, right? The transparency. Every single trade is called out, every single trade is logged, and we do this live as well with our mentorship group. Literally everybody that's in our mentorship group gets to see a live screen sharing with me taking these trades real time, and we all do this together. So to break down this exact trade, look, we spent about $19,000 to make $9,200 and $8,800 after all the commission and fees. And look, we took this trade from 63 cents. Our average exit on this trade was about 94 cents. So look, you didn't even have to hold till the end. To give you guys an idea of what this trade looked like, as you can see, look, we entered into this trade around 73 cents. We added around 50 cents. And if you guys want to be able to take these trades live with me while I screen share, join the mentorship program. Link is going to be in the description. Else, you can always, join the Boom Trades group. We alert the same trades, but it's not on the live, and of course you do not get to see the ads that we do with our group because these ads are absolutely amazing. Why? Well, one, because the average comes down, and then of course you guys get to see my exact target points of where I take profit 1 to 1. Okay, so but look, we exited on this trade where we kept on hitting this $1 resistance over and over again. And of course, we called this out in the mentorship group, and we called this out even in the free chat. I told you guys I'm fully done with this trade around $1. But then, guess what? This exact trade ended up going all the way up, as you can see, to $1.80. And the craziest part is, look, you didn't even have to hold till 180 to make 45% on your money. This trade lasted for about 40 minutes, and we were already up 45% on our money. That means we made $9,200 profit before commissions and fees in just 40 minutes. Guys, you will not get this type of freedom from anywhere. And this is why I love options, because this type of cash flow you cannot get from anywhere as well. The trade that we took on July 24th, just so you guys don't think that I was showing you guys the best trade, made us $8,800 with $21,000 in 3 minutes. So about 40% return, right? We got these options around $1.06, and we exited average around 150, and these options ended up going to 160. And look, we started taking profit on these options around 35% all the way up to about 60%. Nobody else has your back like our community. Look, I went into the free chat and I called the exact top of this trade out inside the free chat. So anytime that I'm in a trade, guys, I'm very active in the free chat. But let's go over some of the trades we took last week so you guys can kind of understand what kind of trades we take and what kind of percentages we make on each trade. And look, this is an average, right? So that means that's what we got an average of, and then these trades continued to pay even more. So look, this trade we posted inside the Boom Trades. And of course, we added with our mentorship group on the live call. And this is what you guys miss out for the people that are in the Boom Trades. You guys do not get to get the perfect ads to bring the average down and have a bigger percentage wins. And look, we consistently try to aim for about 40 to 50% on almost every single trade, no matter how big the continuation will be. It's better to be consistent versus trying to chase the top. And remember, market is very inconsistent. Market can, give you 50% one day, 200% another day, 500% another day. But if you can aim for 40 to 50% that you can get every single day, that will make you a much better trader in the long term because you know exactly what you're getting every single day. And look, another trade, we made about 52% nearly, and the same thing. Look, this trade ended up going all the way up to $2, nearly 100% plus, but we only captured about 50%. And that should be more than enough for everyone for one trade. Because look, 50% means $1,000 into $1,500. You made $500 profit. A lot of people, right, have businesses that cost upwards of hundreds and thousands of dollars, and they barely make $500 in one whole day. And imagine being able to do all of that with no overhead, with only $1,000 in your trading account in just 30 minutes. Now, let me show you guys what happened to us on July 1st. A lot of people think losing is bad. Losing is only bad if you lose 10 times what you can make. And look, on this day, we lost about 62% on this second trade, right? We made 47% on the first trade. We lost 62% on the second one. Some of you guys might be like, oh, well, you lost more than what you can make. You suck. We have a 80 to 90% win rate, right? Us losing this 62% one day does not change anything. Because look, the next trade we took on SPX with our entire group posted inside the chat gave us 90%. So if we lose 50 to 60% in the afternoon, we can make nearly 60 to 100% because options move much faster, much more in the afternoon versus the morning, right? So if you guys want to learn how to trade, definitely fill out the form below for the mentorship group. And of course, we have a 1-month trial to our Boom trades, so you guys can check out these trades for yourself. Let's work together, let's grow. And I hope this video was informative of how our chat room works, and of course, all the type of trades that we take every single day with our group. So if you guys are looking to join a community that you can, work and grow with, install our app, sign up, and you will get a 1-month free trial to our Boom trade section. If you guys want to learn and grow and trade with us every single day, see you guys in the app. Let's go.